Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to another quick video on my adventures on my YouTube channel. It's Far Omar here. As dawn breaks over the vibrant city of Queenstown in Singapore, a serene call resonates, drawing hearts and souls towards a spiritual awakening. This is not just any morning, it's a gathering of faith and a community spirit here at Masjid Mujahidin, a beacon of hope and unity. Every step towards the masjid is a journey within, a reflection of devotion, and a testament to the strength of our ummah. Greeted by the warm smiles of dedicated volunteers, every handshake, every nod, every salam tells a story of brotherhood and dedication. We hear sounds of greetings of Assalamu alaikum, good morning, sabah or khair, all over the masjid. This is where hearts unite, where the spirit of Geng, Subo, Macam Jumaat thrives, encouraging the mass participation in Fajr prayers. Igniting a flame of faith in young and old alike. And now, as the melodious call to Fajr prayer is made by Taufik Batisah fills the air, we are reminded that in unity, in faith, and in prayer lies the true strength of our community.